Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Image Video with Testimonials section. This section lets you combine customer testimonials with images or videos to build trust and boost engagement on your store. Whether it's a customer photo with a quote or a video review with feedback, this section makes your testimonials more powerful and visually engaging. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Image Video with Testimonials section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Image Video with Testimonials section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Image Video with Testimonials section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Image Video with Testimonials and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Image Video with Testimonials section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the Image Video with Testimonials section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. First, choose how your image or video is positioned on desktop screens. You can place it on the left side or the right side of the content, depending on your preferred layout style and design balance. Next, define how it appears on mobile devices. You can choose to display the media at the top or bottom of the content, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly mobile experience. Now, upload the image you want to display. This could be a testimonial photo, product image, or any visual that supports your content and builds trust. You can control how your image is displayed by selecting its height. Choose Adapt to First Image for automatic sizing, or select Small, Medium, or Large based on your layout preference. If you are using a video, you can decide whether to show or hide video controls. Enabling controls allows users to play, pause, and adjust the video, while disabling them provides a cleaner, more minimal look. Next, choose the video height. You can set it to Adapt to the First Image or select Small, Medium, or Large depending on how prominent you want the video to appear. Now select or upload your video content. You can either choose a video file or add it through a video source to display it within the section. If your video is hosted externally, simply paste the video URL to connect it to the section. You can also upload a cover image that will be shown before the video plays. This helps create a more polished and engaging first impression. You can enable autoplay to make the video start automatically when the page loads, or disable it if you prefer manual play control. Finally, you can choose whether the video should play on loop. Enabling this will continuously replay the video, while disabling it will stop playback after one run. Match the Image Video with Testimonials section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with CTA blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each CTA block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. Start by adding a testimonial block to your section. This block is where you build the full customer review experience and control how it appears on your store. Begin by selecting the star rating, from 1 to 5 stars. This helps visually communicate customer satisfaction and instantly builds trust with your visitors. Next, enter the testimonial content. This is the main customer feedback message. Keep it clear and authentic to make it more believable and impactful for shoppers. Now, add the date of the testimonial. This helps show that the review is recent and relevant, increasing credibility. You can also include the customer's profession. This adds context to the testimonial and makes it feel more real and relatable. Next, upload an author image if available. This could be a customer photo or avatar, helping to visually humanize the review. Add the author's name to personalize the testimonial. Displaying a real name helps increase trust and authenticity. You can optionally enter an icon name. This is useful if you want to display a supporting icon alongside the testimonial for extra visual emphasis. Finally, you can upload a custom quote icon. This adds a branded or stylized quotation mark, enhancing the design and making the testimonial section more visually appealing. And that's it. Your image video with testimonial section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.